And now I'd like to demonstrate my my code. And first, I'll start with the 100 velocity simulation. And I'm going to go ahead and hit run here. And now these simulations take quite some time to complete. So I'll pause and return when the simulations have completed. Here's the plot showing the verification of the channel models. Next, I'll go to the channel coding methods verification, and here I've set a velocity of 100 knots, and I'll run this simulation. Again, we'll pause here and return when the simulations have completed. Okay, and now the simulation is completed, and here we have the AWGN channel simulation with all 4 channel coding methods, the Ricin channel simulation for all 4 coding methods at 100 knots, and the Rayleigh channel simulation for all 4 methods at 100 knots. Now I'll change the velocity to 400 knots and rerun the simulations. And again, we'll pause here and come back when the simulations have completed. All right, the simulation is completed, and again is the AWGN channel, the Rayleigh channel with velocity of 400 knots, and the Ricin channel with velocity of 400 knots. And then we'll change the velocity to 700, save and run the simulation again, and we'll return when the simulation is complete. Okay, the simulations have completed, and here again is the AWGN channel, the Ricin channel with a velocity of 700 knots, and the Rayleigh channel with a velocity of 700 knots. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you very much.